Here I have XIAOMI Mi 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, you can just go to the upper bar and find the power saver button here. Here it is, battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode by holding your finger on it. You can also access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to not wake up screen for notifications, turn off always on display, turn this mode off when your device is up to 60% charged, and you can set a schedule for this mode. Here you can select the start time for the battery saver mode, and here you can select the end time, and you can also switch it here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.